Day 17 of being a chef on a yacht. Woke up and made some breakfast for the guests and the crew, and then started working on lunch. I'm making Asian zucchini boats. So I'll hollow out my zucchini and then season my cabbage and bell peppers. I'm also going to repurpose the beef stew from last night. Gina, the stew, is going to throw these zucchini boats in the oven when the guests are ready because today I'm provisioning. We have been plowing through food, so we definitely need to restock. We filled up 2 of these big bins and then headed to the florist. Captain Mark showed off all the beautiful flowers that we got and then headed back to the boat. I was so happy to see green vegetables in the fridge. We haven't seen them in a while. I put all of my produce in the kitchen fridge and then put dairy and eggs in the hallway fridge. And we should be good for the next couple of weeks. Gina made some beautiful flower arrangements and we put these all around the yacht. I set out a vegetable tray for cocktail hour and then got started on dinner prep. Tonight I'm making roasted duck. Season it with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and throw it into the oven. And for a side, I'm making pureed fennel. Fennel has a licoricey flavor, and it's going to pair really nicely with the orange glaze on the duck. So I'll slice it, saute it, and then blend it up. For the first course, I'm making a watercress salad with grapes and feta, and making a simple dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper. I'll take the duck out of the oven and then glaze it with the orange sauce. I'm just going to be serving the duck breast to the guest, and then the crew will have the rest of it. Segment orange slices as a garnish, send out the first course, and then start plating up the mains. I'll put down my orange sauce first, with my orange segments, fennel puree, duck breast, and dinner served. And for dessert, I made a chocolate avocado mousse. After dinner, Captain Mark made fun of me, and finally cleaned up the galley. Bye, little chef.